Welcome to another episode of Teteh Today. Today, I'm not outside doing a vlog, I'm indoors and I'm doing an unboxing. I am unboxing the Galaxy Book 6 Ultra. I'm gonna take you through the quick specs because there's bare videos online showing the specs. I'm not gonna talk too much about that. I'm just gonna tell you about it quickly, then I'm gonna give you my thoughts and I'm gonna tell you why I bought this specific laptop. Yeah? Let's get into it. So as you can see, the seal's already been broken. It comes in a massive brown box. The seal has been broken, but this is actually the first time I'm opening this box, yeah? So yeah, it comes a box within a box. The reason why I think they've done that is because this doesn't actually ship with a power brick, yeah? This just ships with just a laptop and a USB-C cable. You'll see when I open it, yeah? So they've actually put the power brick in this external packaging. It's a massive chunky brick. Pause. Let me see if I can tell you what the power of this brick is. This power brick is 140 watts of power. I think this laptop is the version with the NVIDIA graphics card. I think it takes a lot of power, so they've given you the big one. For me, I've got my own personal power brick that I use, 100 watts power brick. I use it for all my devices, and I'm sure it's gonna be able to power this specific laptop, so I'm good. Anyway, enough talking, time for the action, into the laptop itself. Again, if you know quality, like the way Samsung knows quality, you would make your unboxing experience like this one, like the Apple unboxing experience. They have literally copied them word for word. They've even copied the text. That's literally the font that Apple uses on their MacBook Pros. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not complaining. It feels nice. It feels like I'm about to unbox something really, really powerful and durable. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, so at the back, they've got a couple of pull tabs, one here, one there. It's got my IMEI number. And what is it showing here? Nothing else. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that was a bit flaky though. You know the Apple one, yeah? When you pull it, it just pulls nicely. This one, half the paper ripped, the other half was still on. I don't think that's how they're supposed to do it. Okay, that felt nice. Nice. At least. Cool, so as soon as you open the box, the first thing that we're greeted with is the actual laptop. And I'm not gonna lie, it feels heavy. It feels weighty. It feels very, very, very sturdy. Anyway, we'll put it to the side. I'll show you what else comes in the box. Right, so it looks like there's nothing else in the box apart from this package here, which I presume is going to be, see? I've opened it like a madman. I've literally just ripped the box. Yeah, it's got a very long USB-C cable. I guess it's probably be like a 2-meter one. Put that to the side, and a tiny bit of paperwork. This is literally the least amount of paperwork I've ever seen in a laptop box, which is good, saving the planet and all that. Cool. So we put all the rubbish to the side. Every single thing goes to the side. And we're left with the laptop itself. Again, I like where everyone's going with these like paper unboxes. Look at that. So this doesn't make sense, yeah? They've put the pulley on the side, but the way you actually open this mini bag is from the top, if that makes sense. So, you know, if, as a bush person, I would have ended up just ripping it. Anyway. Okay, let me get it properly. Flip it. Right, initial thoughts. Straight away, as I open it, it looks nice. It looks very sleek, it's very slim. As I said, it's got a bit of weight to it. You can see how thin it is. Cool. So that's it. This is how it looks from the front. This is how it looks at the back. This is how it looks on the side, yeah? Cool. And then next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to open it. We did a one-handed test. It opens with one hand. It never usually opens with one hand, but Samsung have pulled it off, you know? And we've got a bit of paper protecting the keyboard, and that's it. That's the unboxing experience. Very sleek, very clean. I loved it, every single moment of it. The only thing I didn't like, looking at this laptop straight away, is all of these stickers. Why do we still have stickers in 2026? I mean, I know what laptop I bought. I know this laptop has a dynamic AMOLED screen. I know it's a GeForce RTX, and I know it's an Intel Core 7. I literally paid for it, so why do I need it on here? I'm going to be looking for acetone or acetate or whatever it's called, nail polish remover, to scrape this off and then scrape off the sticker residue straight after. So the specs on this laptop are, number one, the processor. So this has got the Intel Core Ultra 7 356H. I don't know what that means, but I just know it's meant to be one of the best ones, yeah? For laptops anyway. It's also a Panther Lake. That's part of number one. Anyway, we go to number two. Number two, the RAM. It's got 32 gig RAM. Number three, the SSD. It's got 1 terabyte SSD. And apparently, according to the untrained people in the Samsung store, you can't upgrade it. Bruh. I've gone home, I've done my own research. They said you can open this laptop and put whatever you want inside it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna put a 4 terabyte in one slot, and then the other slot, I'm gonna put another 4 terabyte. This is gonna be an 8 terabyte laptop by the time I'm done with it. So the reason why I bought this laptop is because I needed one laptop to do everything. Every single thing, right? For a 9 to 5, they've given me a laptop, yeah? I've got a MacBook that I used to use for editing and I use for a lot of general stuff, yeah? It's a nice, powerful M3 Max laptop, yeah? And then the third thing I've got is a cheap Windows laptop from handling file management, right? So one thing I struggle to do is copy and paste files on the Mac. It's just, I don't understand, it's just mad, it's just long.
I don't take madness, I don't take far. I don't take so far minutes.
You copy files off a memory card, or you delete some files, you put the memory card back in your camera, and somehow the memory card is still full. It just doesn't make sense to me. Do you understand? So I bought a cheap Windows laptop for doing that, right? So in the end, I end up having to manage 3 laptops on one desk. It's just too much. So what I've said to myself is, I need a powerful laptop that's gonna be able to do the things that my MacBook do. This apparently does it. I need a Windows laptop for file management because, again, I need that file management system of Windows. And the third thing is I need to be able to use my work apps. Yeah, so my Microsoft Teams, Outlook and all these things, they don't really run properly on my Mac. You understand? Sometimes they block access. I found myself in a random country one day and I got an email from HR saying, not even HR, it was like IT in my company. And they said, yo, mister, are you logged into a MacBook in the back of Croatia somewhere? And I had to shamefully say yes, you understand? So they knew that I was on a laptop that I wasn't supposed to be using. So all those reasons are why I bought this laptop. Again, number one, I need a Windows laptop for work. Number two, I need a Windows laptop for file management. And number three, I just need a powerful laptop similar to my MacBook Pro. So that's how we ended up here. Right, so my thoughts. Right now, I don't have any thoughts. I mean, straight away, the laptop looks nice, it feels nice. That's all I have to work with, right? I'm going to turn it on. I'm gonna install all my stuff, my bits and bobs, yeah? And I'm gonna upgrade the SSD so I can start using it again as the file management system. I'm gonna log into all my work stuff. Hopefully it all works. And then I'm gonna try and edit something on this. And hopefully it's powerful enough to, you know, rival or match what I'm used to, the comfort of I'm used to with my MacBook. So those are my thoughts. I'm gonna probably do a follow-up video in a couple of weeks to let you know whether it's making sense or whether I need to find a way to return it or sell it or do something, yeah? But for now, I like what I'm seeing. I haven't turned it on yet. I like what I'm seeing. All right, hope you've enjoyed that unboxing video. Hope you understand my use case and hope you like, share and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Peace.